Pagania, how did you see the match, and also Kitotla on your side?
The game wasn't fair. Chiefs iwinne ka ba isa patela motlhagase. Wa bona ha o dlala ball. Ba stop a game o le formong. Ha o buya o lose form early. Team Sukazi TS Galaxy by Ropil. Ba lositse form ya bona ha o tlo stop a game for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Yeah. Hi buya ya bataba ya hore TS Galaxy lositse form. If it wasn't for that, a draw or 2-1 we need TS Galaxy.
But I'll check at TS Galaxy. Kibona kareng they've been struggling. So I want kareng itaba affect le batho ya connect bank kapong or bona kare itla boa because of so far ba jile 6-0 Polokwane City yona during the week are 2-1. Then ba jile ke Orbit College recently. So performance ya bona e monato. So orenka coach Adnan Beganovic.
No, re ka se blame coach. And what's about football? Iso. You can lose 4 games in succession. And then get game number 5, wa win. So I can't blame coach that much more TS Galaxy. Well, but finally they must pull up their socks. Because Wabonor they are still lagging deadline there. The goalkeeper, he was a failure to the players today. Second goal, it was goalkeeper's blunder. It was in for ukasi to go the palong wa mata wa yokena go 8 go center line uru defend the ball. Why ball? That's why even a goal is simple. It was the easiest goal more PSL today. Yeah, second goal Chiefs. So I don't blame the players. I blame the goalkeeper.
You know, on something about the game here, TS Galaxy Parrot, the same goalkeeper, Willa Wafas.
Exactly.
On goal, yeah,
the same mistake he did in Pirates. We did really today. Many TS Galaxy must look for a new goalkeeper. I can say